Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create sudo user on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To create sudo user, go to your shell, right click on desktop and open in terminal. I'm going to create a user first, user add, and the name Johnny. Now creating password for Johnny. Now type the password, retype new password, password token updated successfully. Now add the user to wheel group, user mod hyphen lowercase a and capital G. Then type the group name wheel and then type the username Johnny. Now hit enter. Now I am going to test. Switch to the user Johnny. Switch to the user Johnny. Now hit enter. Now in Johnny user type sudo who am I. Now hit enter and look sudo ask for Johnny's password. Now I am entering the password of Johnny and then hit enter. Look, the sudo command is successfully run on Johnny user. This is the easiest way to add a sudo user on Red Hat Enterprise Linux. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.